Hello everyone, I am Bayajit from Bangladesh. This is our factory in China, New Dongchong Technology Co Limited. So we are show you some machine from our factory display. This is our most popular machine for snap button attaching machine. This one XT818. This is the most popular one. This is another model XT818D. This one very comfortable, workable, and the production capacity more production capacity you can use this machine. So we have two brand Xingding and Takumi. Both we sell the overseas market. Some local brand we also have for the local customer in China. So this is our most popular some machine. This machine for heavy duty. This model is XT868. This is a heavy duty work like leather, plastic. You can use this machine for leather. This one very good quality. So we have some other machine also single head pneumatic that a machine XT2808E. Yes, this model also very popular for the pneumatic one. This is our three head electric snap button attaching machine. So this model is 38008E. This are another model three head also. This XT3808 only this is used in pneumatic format. This single head pneumatic XT2808 model. Also this we have this fabric roller system like this for easily fabric can roll. This one for cutting table you can use this fabric roller machine. Also we have a fabric in cutter. This is our new fabric in cutter machine. It's so this is our new fabric in cutter machine, so you can use this one that without wire this one have. So we have some heat press machine also. This is double head heat press machine together one time you can use this separately can use. This is our auto level picker machine. This is also very good in market. So our display room, this a lot of heat press machine is there. So it's our factory that display center is here. This is our meeting room. This is our factory office room. This is our marketing department. This is our finance department in factory. This is our general manager room. So you can all over the world, anywhere you can order our machine. Yeah. You come, downside come. This is our production area. Lot of machine is production going on. Those are also production. Just 1 minute. Those are packing already done. This is our production line. So you can see lot of machine is there.